natural. On today's episode, we're heading out to the boys at JSE Customs. We've been having a few chats with them already in regards to what we're going to do with the rear setup for the car. So today's fit out day. A lot of it is pre-made. The boys have a bit of a catalogue for each sort of wagon. Even if you've got canopy options as well, you can sort of go through and pick what you want. For example, if you want like a drawer with a kitchen slide underneath it and then a fridge on one side, they do the King's fridge or the Evercool fridge. Depending on what fridge option you go for, limits how big the drawer / kitchen space is going to be. We've come up with an idea that we want in the back of our 200 that's got a King's drawer fridge in there, a drawer and a kitchen slide / chopping board underneath that. We've also made room for the Renogy 12 volt system that's going to go in there, and then kept a little spare space for a little project we've been working on, our air system. It's a one of one at this stage. It's still in the R&D phase, but it's going to be there to obviously pump up the tires and pump up the airbags as well, and it's all going to be put into the back of the JSE drawer system.
Last week was pretty busy. Yeah, the week before was busy as well.
There's no, your storage is going to be.
boys from AutoSpec have brought their 200 series down today to finally install their rear drawers with a good sized drawer and table underneath. On the left, we've got a 30 litre King's fridge on the right. We've also done removable side wings on each side with all their 12 volt stuff down in the right hand side. We can do this for any sort of vehicle that you've got, utes, your wagons, canopies, whatever you want. Just get in touch with the boys down at AutoSpec and we can get you in. There you go.
So I'm back here down at JSE. Obviously we dropped the car off this morning. The boys have done their lovely handiwork on the car. I pretty much gave them a task and said, hey look, I'm looking for a drawer fridge and some storage. They kind of came to the party, obviously with the drawer fridge, got some storage, and we got a nice kitchen slide in there as well. And they've made all of our 12 volt system from Renogy work as well. We've also left some space, I believe, in the back for an air system, but that's to work on further down the track.